So guys, welcome to my channel. How to download HPNV17 driver. So open any browsers to type Google search box to like that. After that you can see here the model number. Just right click to new tab, which is support.hp.com. This is officially website. Then guys, scroll down, select operating system. Automatically you can see here Windows 11 and then Windows, and then click to submit. You can see extract BIOS. Now this is updated BIOS. Just click to download. After that you can see here automatically start BIOS. You can see here, okay, 29 MB. After you can see here download, just single click. After that click to yes, then next, I accept, next, and install. Now this is extracting. After that restart, it is completed. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay. Copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay. So step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third. Then last.